Hey, this is Danielle McKnight, and I just wanted to make a video for those of you who may be looking for some form of a free web form. If you're interested in creating your own custom web forms for your marketing efforts, then this video is for you. I personally use getresponse as my autoresponder, and that is how I build my web forms. Um, Definitely, if you have getresponse, you should be using this web form creator to build your own custom web forms. If you have a different autoresponder like Aweber or one of the other ones, they may also have some type of web form builder that may be included in the service. You'd have to look into that. But for those of you that use getresponse, this is definitely for you. So I'm going to go ahead and log into the dashboard and go to web forms and then create new. And it's really simple. They have 164 web forms total. You can also break it down by categories. You can choose categories here, but if there's a huge variety of web forms, so you can definitely find something that works for you. I'm going to go ahead and choose a random web form just to show you how to do it. So I did that. You can change the colors here. You can switch it up how you want to. And then you apply the changes. Down here you can, depending on who you're marketing to and how you're marketing, if you're going to be doing direct mail, then you would want to include your, the address, city, state, zip code, that type of thing, so that you can actually send mail to people. If you're just doing email marketing, then you want to make sure you're getting the email address. And if you're going to be doing text blast and phone blast and things like that, then you definitely want to make sure you get the phone number. But it just depends on how you're going to market. So that's all here. All you have to do is just drag it over if you want a specific field to be there that's not there already. It's very simple. Right now I'm not doing any phone marketing or anything like that, so I'm just going to do the name and email address. And this is just, again, just to show you how it works. So you can add images, you can add text, you can change this text here, you can pretty much do whatever you want. You can round the edges, you can do whatever you desire to make it look the way you want it to look. And from there, you go to next steps. You can give it a name, your own custom name for it. Here you can turn in the double opt-in, which just basically means that after someone fills in their information, which is them opting in the first time, it'll ask them again if they're sure they want to opt in. And I usually just keep that off because it's just redundant. You don't need them to opt in twice. And then here you can do the basic default thank you page, which comes standard with the getresponse web forms, or you can do a custom thank you page. And with this custom thank you page, it'll send your prospects to wherever you want them to go. You can send them to one of your offers. You can send them to your personal website or your personal blog. Wherever you want them to go, this will send them there. Or you can have them stay on the current page and not send them anywhere. I recommend doing the custom thank you page if you are promoting something, which usually you would be. But for today and for the purposes of this video, I'm just going to choose a default page and next steps. And here it gives you the Java code and the HTML code if you wanted to copy and paste this into your blog or into something where you're going to be posting your web form or installing it onto a website or something like that. You can also have getresponse host your web form, which means that they'll provide you with the URL. And you can actually use this URL to, and I'll show you, they provide you with the URL. You can post this places and it'll take people directly to your web form. Maybe you're offering a free training or something that people will be interested in reading, a new article, anything like that. Just let them know what they're going to be getting, post your URL for them to use and then have them go to your web form. It's very easy. Here you can have a list of your web forms. You can see how many times they've been viewed, how many times they've been filled in, things like that. It's very, very simple. If you're interested in learning more about GetResponse, or if you don't have an autoresponder and you want to sign up with one, you definitely need one if you're going to be marketing. Then you can click the link below to take you over to GetResponse so that you can log in, or so that you can create an account with them. It runs $15 a month, which is actually very reasonable for what you're actually getting. And again, if you are marketing, you definitely need an autoresponder so you can start to build a list. And if you're interested in joining my email list, there's also a link at the bottom in the description that will take you to one of my web forms so you can fill it out and join my list so that you can start to get updates whenever I'm doing new articles, or things that will help you with your marketing. Of course, you want to be constantly providing yourself with new training and learning new things. So definitely, if you are interested, then click the link below to join my list. And also, you can subscribe to my channel by just hitting subscribe so that you can be made aware when I have new videos and things like that. And of course, if you have any comments, please feel free to post them below. Don't forget to like if you found this video useful. And that's about it. So thank you so much. Bye.